Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Begin by finding the Kraken Door inside the coastal cavern in Fisch, positioned roughly 10 meters inland from the beach and next to the third stone pillar. Scan the area to confirm there are 3 glowing seals or totems arranged in a semicircle around the door. These are required to power the mechanism. Prepare a party with at least 1 electro character and gear for quick movement. You will need to activate all 3 seals within 30 seconds to trigger the opening sequence and avoid a timed reset. Approach the nearest seal and position yourself about 3 to 6 meters away so your ranged electro attack hits reliably. Avoid melee if it causes slow movement. Aim and trigger seals in a clockwise sequence to minimize travel distance. Try to keep total running under 20 meters between each seal. If available, summon a persistent electro device like Oz to occupy 1 seal while you activate the remaining 2, then quickly return to finish the sequence. This tactic secures the 30-second window and prevents a reset. Once all 3 seals are activated, you will see the Kraken Door pulse with light, and the lock disengages within about 3 seconds, allowing the door to swing open. If the mechanism resets, step back 10 to 20 meters from the doorway, exit, and re-enter the cavern to respawn the seals, then retry the 30-second activation. Common failures include lacking an electro character, exceeding the 30-second limit, or environmental effects like water or wind interrupting hits. Address these before repeating the sequence to ensure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.